Welcome to Trend Hub. On its own again, today it will be a pleasure to learn about a new legend of a new generation from 1965, Citroen DS21 Coupe 2025 edition. This car is a perfect example of the super classic look, which has been augmented with the new outstanding technologies, which are the symbol of the present. The form of the 2025 Citroen DS21 Coupe resembles the goggles of the first-generation automobile, the DS, which was manufactured in the 60s. Both its exterior shape and the roof panel take your focus further on the look and feel of a moving car, even if the vehicle is static. On the front, the owners can see the bulging grille with Citroen's badge chevrons and the bonnet with harmonious LED matrix headlights, which resembles the previous design of the floating headlamp. There are 3D LED taillights surrounded at the rear. It is fantastic in terms of looking and how they light up. Critics such as 20-inch alloy wheel with a contemporary modern related theme. Instead of tiny mirrors, now elegant cameras are employed for aesthetic value in the improved flow of air. While looking more closely, the company offers the DS21 Coupe with a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder hybrid engine power connection and an electric motor total power of 350 horsepower. This car has commendable power for acceleration and is an effective electric motor for about 50 miles. That is appropriate for use in town. High-drop pneumatic suspension. Citroen's most renowned technical signature allows the car to ride as if it were driving on clouds. It could easily bypass pits in the road and anything that makes for a bumpy ride. While inside, there is a fusion of simple luxury and state-of-the-art technology. The cabin's interior is adorned with extra leather, wood, and brushed aluminum, called Alice style. LED display has been incorporated into the curvature of the new design for the dashboard, which replaces both the conventional cluster and the center console display. Integrated technology complements Cabin Connect, which includes standard wireless, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. The interior feels exceptionally large, and the design presents an appropriate mixture of sophistication and advanced comfort to turn every ride into a pleasing experience. In 2025, the Citroen DS21 Coupe model should be out. And like other luxury cars, the base model should command a price of about $75,000. For that kind of money, you get an instantly recognizable vehicle that looks as good as many modern designs, while also incorporating the latest technology to create a car that is luxurious, quick, and pays homage to Citroen's roots. If you are into style and want a car that has substance, then this car is the perfect blend of modern design with retro design. How do you like the vision of the 2025 DS21 Coupe? Would you drive this French beauty? Let us know in the comments.